Good morning, friends. General Files, Class 8, Chapter 2, Health and Diseases, Part 3, Communicable Diseases. In this part, we learn some disease of present days. In this part, we learn some diseases. Number 1, dengue, and number 2, swine flu. In this part, we learn symptoms of the diseases. Dear student, first we see what are the communicable diseases, because all these are communicable diseases. The diseases which spread through contaminated food, water, air, and vectors like insect and other animals are called as communicable diseases. There are many communicable diseases. To stay long from diseases, we should follow hygiene. Hygiene is very important. Dear student, first we see about the dengue. How dengue is spread and what are the symptoms of dengue. Students, mosquito lays their egg in waterlogged places, and due to this their population increases. Different kinds of mosquitoes spread different diseases. For example, female Anopheles mosquito causes malaria, while Culex mosquito causes elephantiasis. The dengue is spread by Aedes aegypti mosquito. Dengue is a viral disease. Dengue spread by the virus Den 14. It is one of the type of flavivirus. Dear student, now we see the symptoms of dengue. Number 1, acute fever and headache and vomiting are the symptoms of dengue. Number 2, pain in eye socket. This is our eye socket. Pain in a eye socket is also a prominent symptoms of dengue. And number 3, blood platelets count decreases, and due to this internal bleeding occurs. These are the symptoms of dengue. Dengue is a fatal disease, and hence we should be aware from this disease. Then what can we do to stay away or to stay safe from dengue? Number 1, we can also call as them as preventive measures against swine flu. Against dengue. Number 1, we should use mosquito coil at night. Number 2, we should cover our drinking water. Number 3, the water storage tank must be clean time to time. What happens? Mosquitoes do not lay eggs, or their egg may be destroyed. Number 4, disinfection or sterilization is another way to stay away from dengue. Number 5, the the places around our home must be kept clean. By following these preventing measures, we stay away from dengue. Now we learn the second disease is swine flu. Dear students, in 2009, swine flu first found in Mexico country. Swine flu is a viral disease. Swine flu spread by the virus named as influenza A H1N1. The person which live in a pigs has high chance to cause swine flu. Now we learn the reasons of swine flu, how swine flu gets spread. Swine flu can spread by pigs and animals. Swine flu can spread by pigs and animals and humans. Number 2, swine flu is spread by the liquid in mouth and throat. These are the some reasons for the infection of this disease. Virus of swine flu can spread through the secretion of nose, throat and saliva. Now we learn the symptoms of swine flu. Difficulty in breathing. Person cannot breathe properly is the main symptoms of this disease. And number 2, sore throat, pain in a throat and body pain is the another symptoms of this disease.